Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Ukapelani. He is still in the hospital and he is sitting with his son Uparamani and his wife. So Ukapelani then says, umfowethu nabantwana baphi? Abafikanga namhlanje. The wife ahlikihla ikhanda, like to say ukuthi abafikanga. Ukapelani then says, hayi, should you get that for what is saying fana no muntu ofile kubona? And then the wife says, Nutho baba, do me a favor and please ungazikhathazi, don't worry about anything. Bengicela ukuthi uqine nje ube nalo ithemba lokuthi ukuhlinza kwakho uzoba yimpumelelo. Uphakamani then says ukuthi uqinisile ma baba, and then uKapelani says Uphakamani then says, yekela ukuzikhathaza ngabantu who have never cared about you. And then the doctor walks in. The doctor walks in and then he then says, sanibonani mndeni wakwaDlamini, ngiyaxolisa ukuniphazamisa. Bengisacela baba ukuthi ungisayinele lana ukuze sizokwazi ukuqhubeka nge-surgery. Amanesi azofika manje-ke akulungiselele baba for i-theatre to proceed with surgery. Alungisayinele lana, and then uKapelani, he signs there, but you can see ukuthi uPhakamani and uMakaPhakamani, they are excited, you guys, ukuthi uKapelani uyohlinzwa and he's going to be fine after that. So they are quite positive about the surgery that Kapelani is going to do. Next scene, wavuma kwambambo. Usipho is looking all good. Uvelep is looking all good. She's putting on her earrings. Remember, Phela, the last episode, Usamke gave Usipho imali so that Usipho can take him and Uvelepi out. So they are going out in this episode. So Usipho then says, ukuthi isikhathi manje. Uvelepi is like, ayikhuleka isikhathi sisekhona nje. Uvuma walks in and then he's like, kwenziwani eThekwini kodwa? Uvelep is like, oh baba, hayi kune-concert ye-amapiano. Usipho usithengele amatikiti. Uvuma is like, oh, nisayokhombisa uManqoba iTheku. Uvelep then says, hayi cha Nutho, uManqoba would cry nje. Usipho then says, hey futhi yena-ke. Uvuma is like, oh, uyasala. Usala nobani. Uvelep then says ukuthi simthathile samisa ekreshi. Hopefully we will not come back late kodwa-ke if sibuya late sizokwenza inhlelo to see what we do with him. Ubaba Uvuma then says, oh, Uvelep then says ukuthi yebo baba. Uvuma then says, anikahle. Akufanele ukuthi nina ukuthi nisemgazini niyasebenza njengamanje. Usipho then says, oh, baba, sibikile baba, sacela ilifu, basidedelile. And then Uvuma says, oh, ilifu. Uvelep is like, yebo baba, we sorted everything out khuleka nje. And then Uvuma says, where Velep? Uvelep says, baba. Uvuma then says, ingathi uyakhohlwa ukuthi unengane wena. Uyabona ngenkathi uthola ingane mntanami. You gave up ilungelo lakho lokuthi wehle wenyuka imigaqo njengontanga bakho. Njengoba umuhle unjena, kodwa ngani yami unomntana okufanele ukuthi umbheke. Uvelep zakhuleka baba, like angizubuya late, khuleka baba ngiyakuthembisa. Uvuma then says, oh, uSamke says, eshdade bavela ngaba nomona, yazi ngagcina nini ukuya kwi-concert. Usipho then says, how? Asambe nawe-ke auntie Woza. Uvelep just rolls her eyes because you know ukuthi Uvelep benoSamke abazwani nje. uSamke says, hayi suka wena, hambani niyo-enjoya nje. Uvelep then says, okay baba, usale kahle. Uvuma says, bye bye. uSamke says ukuthi thatha isikhathi senu-ke ni-enjoye, nisebancane nina. Usipho then says, siyabonga auntie, sizokwenza njalo nisale kahle. uSamke says, okay. Once they go out, Uvuma looks at uSamke like to say ukuthi, how can you tell them ukuthi bathatha isikhathi sabo? uSamke is like, yini basebancane nje. Uvuma then says ukuthi banomanqoba labantu, and the scene ends like that. Next scene there we see uKwenzo. He is with uSibongile, or he's there to visit uSibongile eResi. So he comes where she is sitting and then he's like, hey. And then uSibongile says, sawubona. uKwenzo then says, kunjani? uSibongile then says, ngiyaphila unjani? uKwenzo then says, I'm fine. Ahlale phansi, and then he holds uSibongile's hands. He goes on to say, lalela, ngiyaxolisa to just arrive unannounced. I didn't have a choice. like ibingekho enye indawo that I could go to. Usibongile then says, asikho isidingo sokuthi uxolise Wenzo. Mina, I'm always happy to have you here, and I'm always happy to be there for you when you need me. Wenzo then says, yeah. Usibongile then says ukuthi wabukeka ingathi awukaze ulale nje. Uye walala kodwa Wenzo. Wenzo says cha, akulaleki. Ubuthongo abufiki. Usibongile then says, sithanda sami, kuzomela ukuthi uzame kakhulu kunalokho. Umzimba uyadinga ukuphumula. Ukwenza then says, yeah, sure. Yikuthi Sibongile, mangivala amehlo, ngivele ngicabanga amazwi kababa. Bengiqala ubona ubaba ebuhlungu ngaleyo ndlela Sibongile. Usibongile then says, thandwa sami, this is a difficult time for both wena nobaba wakho. Ukwenza then says, kodwa Sibongile, yindaba ngiselfish kanje, Sonke lesi sikhathi ngibhizi ngicabanga ngami kodwa angikaze nje ngithathe ithuba ngicabanga ukuthi ubaba yena uzizwa njani la ekhona. Usibongile then says cha Wenzo, lento shouldn't make you feel like a bad person. Phela nawe you are still digesting yonke lento. Ukwenza then says kuyafana Sibongile. Nami I shouldn't have entertained ubaba uQaphelani. Usibongile then says Kwenzo, umalume njengamanje uphakathi kokufa nokuphila. Angekwazi ke mina as umuntu obamba amabhuku. Ikakhulukazi umuntu ubambela amabhuku umuntu ogulayo. Ukwenza then says ukuthi I didn't mean ukuzwisa ubaba ubuhlungu yazi Usibongile. Usibongile then says ngiyakwazi lokho Kwenzo. Kodwa ngiyazi futhi ukuthi izinto zizohamba kahle phakathi kwakho nobaba uDlamini ungekudala. Wena nje ungazikhathazi khuleka into okumele ukuthi siyenze njengamanje is that we should be praying ukuthi i-surgery kamalume ukuthi ihambe kahle okunye nokunye sizokubona nje angithi sithanda sami and then Ukwenza just says yeah shame Ukwenza is really feeling bad for unjengaye. But at the same time, I'm just like, Kapelani needs Ukwenzo because I mean, he really is on his deathbed, you guys. Anyway, next scene we see ke ubaba uVuma usendlini yakhe. He is pouring water for himself, about to drink a glass of water when there's a knock on the door. So he then says, ngiyeza. He goes, he opens the door, he sees uNosiso laphana. He's like, sawubona. Then lo asisi then says, yebo sawubona baba. Bengisaqala ukubuza, ingaba likhaya lakwambambo leli? uVuma says ukuthi hayi yilona. Ubani odinga ukwazi? Then usisi then says, mina baba nguHlengiwe wakwaZulu, ngi-social worker. uVuma then says, oh siyabonga. He shakes her hand and then he says, ngena. Ngingakusiza ngani Hlengiwe Zulu? uHlengiwe then says, cha baba, ngithole isikhalazo lana mayelana nesimo sokuphila. As she's saying that, uVuma then says, hlala phansi. Then usisi continues, then she's like, mayelana nesimo sokuphila esingaphephile and also the negligence of ingane. Kahle kahle, bathi ungumama or irresponsible. As she's saying that, uSamke whoops in. The social worker continues, she's like, shuthi akanandaba ngempilo yendodana yakhe. uSamke says sawubona and then usisi ke says sawubona mama. uVuma then says hayi bo, iphuma kuphi leyo nkulumo? The social worker then says ukuthi ngiyithola kumuntu ozifihlile baba, an anonymous caller. uSamke says thandwa sami bengisaqala ungena kancane. Manje lo muntu, she's asking the social worker, manje lo muntu ozifihlile, when they told you ngalento, unesiqiniseko kangakanani ukuthi ukhuluma ngovelaphi lo wethu? The social worker then says ukuthi I'm certain because they sent me the address yaleli khaya. Bengisaqala ukubuza ukuthi uphi yena uvelaphi. I'd like to speak to her. uSamke then says, hey, owamanje akekho, uhambe nobaba kaManqoba, bahambile ekuseni. uVuma then says ukuthi yeah baseThekwini. uManqoba usele nathi, yithina esimbhekile. The social worker is busy writing something down there. uVuma then says ukuthi kodwa uphephile futhi. Singakutshengisa la lala khona, la hlala khona. Then the social worker says, mhlambe before we do that, bengisathanda ukuthi ngimbone yena uManqoba isiqu sakhe. uVuma then says, oh hayi okwamanje akekho uManqoba use crash, he goes to crash. uSamke then says ngingayomlanda mina ekreshi mengabe ufuna lokho social worker. Then the social worker says ukuthi I'd appreciate that, ngiyacela. And the scene just ends like that. Yo guys, uSamke really plays dirty. And the coincidence that the social worker is coming on a day where both Uvelepi and Usipho are not around. Next scene, get uPhetheni and uKwenzo are having a very heart-to-heart conversation le kwaDlamini. So uPhetheni says to uKwenzo, usunginyanya ngaleyo ndlela that ngeke uze ukwazi uza later uzodla idina nathi Kwenzo. uKwenzo then says ukuthi angikhona ukuthi ungihambele amanga yonke leminyaka ma. uPhetheni then says ngiyaxolisa. uKwenzo says uxolisani ma, why ungangitshelanga iqinise sonke lesi sikhathi? uPhetheni then says bengingazi Kwenzo. uKwenzo la kunamanga ma, unamanga mana, uyazi lento ishoyo ukuthi ayikho ma. uPhetheni then says Kwenzo mfanami, if I knew I would have told you. Unjengaye akakwazi nokungibheka njengamanje, kodwa ngiyacela mfanami, cela ungangizondi Kwenzo. She starts crying. Ngiyacela, cela ungangizondi mntanami, ngiyacela. uKwenzo is like, kodwa ma, he also starts crying. uPhetheni is like, ngiyazi mntanami ukuthi lento engiyenzile was a mistake, kodwa ngiyacela ukuthi ungangizondi. Ngiyazisola ngalento engiyenzile and I'll forever regret what I did. She holds his hand and they both just crying, you guys. uKwenzo then says, ma, umoshele impilo yami ma, uyiphulile nje inhliziyo yami. And the scene just ends like that while they are both crying, you guys. I really hope they can restore their relationship, but I also need Kwenzo to acknowledge, I know it's too soon for him, that shame uPhetheni, she also didn't know, guys, and she's also going through her own things as Unjengaye and uKwenzo are going through it. Anyway, back to the senior social worker. So next thing, we see the social worker saying, "Ukuthi ay ngimbhekile uManqoba, kodwa benisacela ukuthetha noVelephi uphi, like have you guys tried to call her?" uVuma then says ukuthi hey nginenkinga ye-network la endlini, benisacela ukuphumela ngaphandle ngimzame futhi. Then the social worker says ngiyacela baba. So uVuma calls out. Manje the social worker usele noSamke. Ayibo uSamke then says hey, social worker bengisacela ukutshela ukuthi the corner that called you was right, kodwa ungasho ukuthi uzwe ngami. Bengiyibheka lento uVelephi umithe esemncane, so ngicabanga ukuthi bekangayifuni lengane. So kahle like she doesn't want the child, or maybe indaba yokuthi usanda kushonela uma wakhe angazi, kodwa uVelephi irresponsible nje. Mina ngokubona kwami, I think ukuthi it's good to give custody to uVuma nami for lengane, because siyamthanda Shame. uManqoba siyamthanda. So I think mina noVuma, we would be good parents to this kid. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, this thing that uSamke is trying, I really hope it doesn't backfire. She is hoping that the social worker is going to give custody to her and uVuma for ingane, but it can turn out anyway. The social workers or the system can take away the child, and the child can go and stay with new parents or new people altogether. So next scene, esibhedlela uPhakamani, he's carrying flowers. Remember, his father went for a surgery, so I'm guessing the flowers are for uPapelani. So when he gets ekamereni likababa wakhe, how? The bed is empty. So uPhakamani is like, ngiyazi ukuthi mekangena. He's saying ngiyazi ukuthi, so ngicabanga ukuthi he was trying to say ngiyazi ukuthi you don't like flowers. Kodwa mekabona ukuthi umbhede empty, he's like, how? Next thing, the doctor comes in, he's like, Phakamani. uPhakamani is like, how dokotela? Bengithi ubaba usephumile kwi-surgery. And then the doctor's like, uPhakamani is like, uhambe kanjani? The doctor's like, mfowethu ngiyaxolisa. uPhakamani then says, how? Uqaliselani manje? Then the doctor says, ubaba wakho Phakamani, ubaba wakho abasekho. Uhlulekile laphayana kwi-surgery. We did everything that we could do. Kodwa uPhakamani is like, uthi ubaba wenzeni? The doctor's like, usishiyile mfowethu. uPhakamani is like, wait, Uthi ubaba wenzeni? The doctor's like, unjalo mfowethu, ngiyaxolisa. UPhakamani is like, hayibo, ungazongitshela ukuthi uyaxolisa. He holds him ngamawashing. Then the doctor's like, Hisumoya, we did everything we did our best. UPhakamani is like, hey wena lalela, uzohamba uyomvusa. Uthe wena kimi ukuthi right. Uthe wena kimi ukuthi ubaba, he was recovering before you took him for the operation. Usho wena lokho. The doctor's like, mfowethu, if I could wake him up, I would wake him up. Sizame konke Dlamini. Phakamani, hisumoya mfowethu. We tried our best to resuscitate him. Qina mfowethu, qina Dlamini, your father has left us. That time uPhakamani, he's in disbelief, guys. He just sits down. He doesn't even know what to say at this point. Okay, next scene, we see uLokuzana, uVelephi benosipho. They are back from their concert. Bebengena endlini kumnyama. They're like, how bapha abantu bathuleka kangaka? Next thing uVuma walks towards them in the kitchen. He's like, yay Nina, why vele were you guys not answering your phones? Ufike i-social worker lana mayelana noManqoba saying ukuthi there's someone who called, an anonymous caller who called, say ukuthi wena Velephi nawe Sipho, you guys are irresponsible parents. USamke whoops in and then she's like, oh, ngisanda mlalisa uManqoba. UVelephi irritated, she's like, ucela ubani ukuthi umlalise? uVuma then says, kahle Velephi. uVelephi is like, wena ufonela ama-social worker ngithi Samke? uVuma then says, Velephi? uSamke is like, ini? uVelephi is like, yes. Ungangenzi islima mina. Yabo lo mdlalo that you're starting now. Angunqeni Samke, sizowudlala sobabili ke. Ubusumtshela ubaba ngoPrince? Lo ubujwala naye. And then uSamke, you can see she looks nervous. uVuma looks at uSamke. And then uVelephi goes on to say ukuthi lo ebejala no Ben 10 igama lakhe uPrince. Njengoba elana eqobo ubaleke lokho. Beno Ben 10 wakhe bebekona abantu le eThekwini emasontweni njengoba eselana uSamke. Ubalekela indaba zakhe le eThekwini. uSamke then says unesibindi yazi. Do you think ukuthi yindlela eright yokwenza izinto? Ukuthi shifte i-blame. Yilokho ufuna ukwenza? uVelephi then says, weSamke, phela lento engiyikhulumayo uyayazi kahle, angiyithatheni emoyeni futhi. I can take out my phone manje ngiyidlale i-recording ngoba nginayo i-evidence yalento engiyikhuluma, and ngiyazi ukuthi wena ofonela ama-social worker ngoba ungiyangile. You're trying to get revenge on me, ngoba I know your secrets. At this point, uVuma's just looking at uSamke. uSipho's looking at uSamke like they want to find out, is there any truth to what uVelephi is saying? But the scene just ends like that. Last scene, we see what Dlamini ngempela, they are eating dinner, you guys. Next thing we hear uPhakamani coming into the house, and he's like, ongiyeke wena. Ushubuti, one of the securities or someone did not want him to come in. And then he's like, niyadla lana, niyadla kumnandi lana. Ushonile ubaba. And then uLokuzana unjengayo looks at uPhakamani. He's like, uthini? uPhakamani then says, ujabulile manje. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, this is going to be interesting, especially for uKwenzo, because he just got to find out ukuthi uKapelani is his real father. And mind you, uKwenzo and Kapelani did have a good relationship. Now uKwenzo must mourn the passing of his father. Yo guys, I shame kuningi. Anyway, let's pop it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.